Hello dear students. How are you all? I am pretty sure that all of you are fine and enjoying good health. I welcome you all to the second lecture of 8th week e-learning classes. Objectives of our today's lesson are: to know and understand about concepts of national income, to know and write about the GNP, to know and write about NNP, to understand and explain the concept of GDP. My dear students, we have already discussed the topic of national income in our last lecture. As you all know that national income is the average income of the citizens of the country, or national income is the total amount of goods and services produced within the country during the given period, say, 1 year. It is the total of factor income, that is wages, interest, rent, profit, received by factors of production, labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship of a nation. Now, what are the basic concepts of national income? Yes, the basic concepts are: gross national product, GNP, net national product, NNP, gross domestic product, GDP, personal income, PI, disposable personal income, DPI. What is GNP? GNP stands for gross national product. Gross means total. National means your own country's items. Product means any item like shoes, cars, services, food items. We can define GNP in these words. Gross national product, GNP, is total value of all the final products and services produced in a given period by the means of production owned by a country's residents. GNP measures the output of a country's residents regardless of the location of the actual underlying economic activity. It is the measurement of the current output of the country's economic activities. All agricultural products, industrial products, and services are included in this. Now we will see that how can we calculate GNP. GNP is commonly calculated by adding the following items. GNP equals DPI plus private domestic investment plus government expenditure plus net exports plus income earned by residents from overseas investments, minus income earned within the domestic economy by foreign residents. So if any other country's people are working in our country, so their income will not be included in our GNP. Net national product, NNP, is also like gross national product, GNP. The total value of finished goods and services produced by country in 1 year minus depreciation. Formula: NNP equals GNP minus depreciation. What is depreciation? It is the decrease in the value of fixed assets. For example, the car or any machine which you purchased 5 years back has not have the same value. Its value has got decreased because of regular use. It is the decrease in the value of machines, vehicles, or other equipment due to use or wear and tear. It is a loss or expense. It is subtracted from GNP to get NNP. So what is the difference between GNP and NNP? Gross national product, GNP, is total value of all the final products. And net national product is the total value of national goods minus depreciation. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Solve the worksheet and submit on time. Thank you and goodbye.